Good morning, one and all present here. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. A very happy Teachers' Day to all our dear professors and also to all the future teachers. In India, teacher is referred to as Guru. Teachers, mentors play an important role in a person's life. Today, after a very long time, we are going to have an online celebration for this special day. Before any event, it's our tradition to invoke the Almighty. So let us start the event with lighting the lamp by our dear professors and with a beautiful slogan.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
I request all of you to mute their mic so that we can hear clearly our dear Principal Ma'am. I would like to invite our Principal, Renu Ma'am, to share a few words with us on this memorable day.
Good morning to my dear teachers. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Today, after a long time we are meeting. So I wish you, I want to give you my blessings. I want to tell you something. Teachers' Day in India is celebrated 5th September to remember a great personality. A very special moment, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a
scholar, recipient of Bharat Ratna, first Vice President and the second President of independent India. He was a great educationist, academician, and above a great teacher. The future of a country lies in the hands of children, and the teachers as mentors can mold students into future leaders who shape the destiny of India. Teachers play an important role in the lives of children. They help to become a good human being, a better member of society, and an ideal citizen of a country. Teachers' Day is celebrated to acknowledge the challenges, hardships, and the special role of teachers played in our lives. Teaching is not a profession, but it is a way of life. Teachers are responsible to prepare the new generation and to face the challenges of life. Even our Prime Minister Narendra Modi also told that teachers' determination and sincerity will shape the destiny of the nation, as they are laying the foundation and the building blocks of the society. Teachers nourish and prepare students for their future, as they are the real icon of knowledge and wisdom. They create awareness among the students and common people. They are a source of light in the world. Teachers are the true pillars of success for their students. So, I wish you all my would-be teachers that whatever you have expected from your teachers as a student, that only you will try to give to your students. The behavior which you have expected as a student from your teachers, in same manner you are going to contribute in the development of the students. At last, I want to appeal you all that try to hold all the qualities in you which you wanted to see in your teachers when you were student. Try to give everything which you wanted to have from your teachers. As a students only, we can think that what is our expectation and what we want from our teachers. If we are able to give same to our students, means we are succeeding in our profession. Once again, I wish you a happy Teachers' Day. I feel you all will be a best and successful teacher in coming days. Lastly, try to be talented, try to be elegant, try to have an attitude of teacher, try to have a good character, try to have harmony with society, with your children, with your stakeholders, try to be more efficient and try to have good relations with everyone with whom you meet. These qualities will help you out to become a great and successful teacher. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm sure JG teachers will definitely make a mark wherever they go. You know, everything has a start. We started celebrating Teachers' Day from 1962. Why we are celebrating it on 5th of September? What is so special about this date? To know more about it, let us welcome Varda Zamindar to share her insight about Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
Om Akhanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tarpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. A very good morning to our honorable principal, beloved professors and all my fellow batchmates. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Celebrated on the 5th of September, a Teachers' Day marks the birth of one of the most popular and influential teacher that the world has ever seen. That is none other than Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. 5th September, Teachers' Day is a very important and remarkable day in the Indian history of education because through this day we pay our heartily respect and honor to our beloved teachers throughout the country. We know mother gives us birth, but do you know the teacher gives us our life? A teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. As candle burns itself to make someone able to go on his way, a teacher exhausts his life for the sake of the students. As a teacher, however, every single day is a celebration. Celebration of curiosity, celebration of childhood, creativity, innovation, or should I just say, celebration of life itself. We are honored to have with us the teachers who have impacted our lives in more than one way, sometimes directly, sometimes indirectly. Friends, let's know what is the background of celebrating this day. Is there any background? Surely, there is a healthy background behind this day. To know the history of the day, we have to go to the golden days of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was born on 5th September in 1888 in Madras. He was an intelligent philosopher, great successful teacher. Above all, he was an ideal teacher. He traveled the famous universities of India and abroad. He taught in the University of Mysore, University of Calcutta, University of Madras, and of course, in the University of Oxford as a professor of philosophy. His personality and thought was greatly adored in the Western countries. This great man thought teachers should be the mastermind, the best mind in the countries, as only a teacher can change a society with his wisdom and intelligence. Only a teacher can lead a community to its desired destination. Dr. Radhakrishnan ji was the first Vice President and the second President of India. When he was in his chair, some of his well-wishers, his students and friends approached to him and sought his permission for celebrating his birthday. But Radhakrishnan ji replied, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day." That's why, since 1962 till today, 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day. We know youth is the backbone of our nation, of a country. Also, we have to believe the teacher is the backbone of our society, as a teacher can change a society or community. Teaching is the profession that teaches all other professions. Friends, showing respect must not be confined just in a day, but to be unlimited throughout our life, and then the celebration of Teachers' Day would be a grand success. Sometimes the teachers are being harassed and tortured, both mentally and physically, by their students. It's a very painful and unexpected situation we are facing nowadays. We should make an end to this pathetic situation, and only then the observation of Children's Teachers' Day will get a success. So let's love and respect our teachers, as they are the most respectable and honorable persons in the world. May God bless them with peace, happiness, and a long life. I will finish my speech with the quotations of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan ji. He said, "A life of joy and happiness is possible only on the basis of knowledge and science." So, happy Teachers' Day once again, and may God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Varda. I remember this quote by Dr. Radhakrishnan, that when we think we know, we stop to learn. It's very true, right? Teachers are lifelong learners too. Let's have that open mind to learn from situations and from the people around us. You know, once a teacher asked a student, "John is climbing a tree to pick some mangoes. Priya, can you begin the sentence with mangoes?" You know what Priya replied to that? She said, "Mangoes, John is coming to pick you." It's really not easy to play the role of teachers in present scenario. Students and children in general these days are very sharp. They get information through various sources. So it's not easy to keep them engaged and interested in the subject. I would like to call Jayasili to know what does she think as the role of teachers in present scenario.
Good morning to Reverend Principal Ma'am, all the faculty members, and my dear friends. I am Jayasili here to share with you all the role of teachers in present scenario. We know we have gathered to celebrate virtual Teachers' Day through Google Meet. So let me take this great opportunity to wish all our professors on behalf of our friends a very happy Teachers' Day. On this auspicious day, let us thank all our professors who have been working very hard to teach us through online. Taking education to this level this year may have given us tough times, but our professors have surely been a ray of hope. Teachers' Day serves as a great reminder to appreciate our teachers for their services which they continue to render to the students and also to the community as a whole. Further, it is also teachers who motivate us to do better in life. Thus, it recognizes their efforts to produce excellent artists, doctors, musicians, dancers, engineers, and more. What is the role of teachers in present scenario, especially the time of pandemic? Teachers are the next level of COVID warriors, fighting for the nation and shaping the future of tomorrow. Being a teacher is incredibly challenging in the best of times, and in the pandemic it's even more complex. Whether it's about managing the technology, self-learning, a new way of teaching, making emotional connections with students, and having steered different capabilities among students through a screen. Teaching in this atmosphere has proven to be extremely challenging. Most of you have had to adapt to technology that you weren't familiar with overnight. And as a result, the working hours have increased. Your phones never seem to stop buzzing. During this lockdown, we know it has been challenging for each one of us, but teachers have been our lockdown mentors. They have supported us throughout and helped us cope with online classes. In these tough times, I would like to thank all our professors on behalf of each and every student for your unwavering support. Thank you for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. You have not only taught us the new way to learn, but also motivated us during the lockdown. No token of appreciation can ever be enough to thank you for what you all have done for us. Time spent with each one of us is nothing short of memorable, and we will forever be indebted to you all for shaping our personalities and making us better human beings. Last but not least, I would like to end my speech by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's quote. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings are created by teachers. Once again, thank you to all our professors who have always been our guiding light and support system. Moreover, enlightening us to become better persons in the society. May God bless you all and fulfill all your heart desires. This is our prayers for you all. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Jaya. I'm sure our future teachers noted those pointers. Now, it's time to go down the memory lane. School days, college experiences always scores a special place in one's heart. I would like to call Jasmine to share her thoughts about college experience.
Good morning to all. Talking about my experience, JG is not just the greatest opportunity for me but for all of us. Being a JGian is not just being competent, confident, hardworking, but also being compassionate and independent. This is a college where professors have the freedom to create a learning environment where students can nurture their own potential, and that is why I am extremely grateful to our one and only special principal, Renu ma'am, who always supported me, mentored me, helped me face the toughest times, and that is why I am very much thankful to her for opening our wings and letting us and teaching us to fly. I am extremely grateful to our professors, Abha ma'am for always encouraging my efforts, for always believing in me with greater opportunities, Janal ma'am for always giving us interesting, wonderful and challenging assignments, mostly digital assignments. Her great singing skill is just amazing, and thank you ma'am for teaching us some of your singing skills. Shaista ma'am for giving us wisdom. You always give us a little more than you are asked for or required to. You always supported us and encouraged us. Thank you ma'am for always being there for us and for teaching us your Hindi vocabularies. And our one and only Sunny sir. Thank you sir for always being there, for always supported me. You always believed in me, whatever it is, if it is about singing, anchoring, or even today you choose me to share my experience with all of you. So thank you sir for being there always. We may not remember your whatever you said, everything you said, but we will definitely remember how special you made us feel. So thank you all my dear professors and all my dear friends. You are the stars that showed us how to shine. Thank you.
Thank you, Jasmine. That was a wonderful share, right? Now, let's hear it from Jinsan.
Good morning, dear Renu ma'am, my dear professors, and my dear classmates. First of all, let me continue as the part of the Jasmine speech. She has already told about teachers and friends. I am here to talk about the academic life at JG. I remember on the first day, Renu ma'am told us most of the works will be done during the class hours. So you need not worry. And she kept her words, and it was a soothing experience for all of us. Then all the lectures were conducted through discussion method, and there were many who raised many questions, and the professors were very happy to give the answers. So our classes were interesting and informative. And coming to the assemblies, every day we had assemblies, and all the assemblies brought out the best from us. And towards the end, we included games that also made us feel to wait for the assemblies. And all these assemblies gave a platform to show our talents and abilities. And our professors and our classmates were very benevolent to give feedback. And through micro simulation, stray block lessons, we could really got the first-hand experience about our teaching profession. And as Jasmine told, we learned a lot from all these sessions and experiences. And we know that JG is full of celebrations. There is not a single day left without celebrations. And we celebrated each and every celebrations with sufficient preparation and with all the necessary items. And all of us were actually the professors, they took the initiative. When I remember the Alamam, her spirit and enthusiasm in compelling us to bring out the best. And all the professors were there, and actually they were the best in all the competitions. And even though we are young, we really struggled hard to match with their enthusiasm and spirit. So it was a eye-opening lesson for all of us that first of all we should be energetic, enthusiastic. Then only students will be following us. And even during the pandemic, we are continuing our celebrations. We are giving a strong message that it shows that never say die attitude of JG. And our best memories are yet to come. We are continuing our life as a never-ending fountain. So on this day, we seek the blessings. We seek the all the advice, blessings, and wishes from our professors, and we wish them happy Teachers' Day. I remain. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jinsan and Jasmine. I'm sure we all could relate to that. So we heard students' experience at college from our batch students. Let's hear it from our seniors. I would like to call our JG alumni, Ms. Jasmine Sugunan from 2015 batch, to share her experience.
A very good morning to everyone. Thank you for giving me this platform. It's a great pleasure to be here with the JG family and my gurus. And very namaskaram to all my gurus there. And a very good day to all of you. I came up from a background as an advocate, joined JG for my B.Ed, and I had a great time carving my path into the field of teaching, guided by the passionate, engaged, empowered gurus. Renu ma'am was always there, supporting me, guiding me, and in fact, all students, and see that we all are completing your work on time. Questioning my limits, my choices, my motivation throughout kept me growing with great thoughtfulness and patience. Working on the deadline, submitting lesson plans, and all the multicultural activities took me back to the school days. Living a real, it was nostalgic, thinking about all these lesson plans, giving it on the deadlines and working on it was crazy, but it carved me very well in the path of being passionate, as Renu ma'am told, living life, not as a profession, but by touching hearts. So celebrating wonderful student life at JG helped me follow my passion. So as the first word in Bhagavad Gita is dharma, and the last word is mama. So, mama dharma. So here, I got to learn my duties, my responsibilities, rights, ethics, morals, actions, and all came in together, molding me into a person with lot of patience and thoughtfulness, getting me into a passionate field where I could express myself the way I wanted the knowledge to be given and imparted to all around me, the students, the future generation. So it was throughout the student life was excellent by support of really living my dream and really motivated by my teachers, very empowered teachers, and I love you all. Thank you, Renu ma'am. Thank you, Abba ma'am. Thank you all gurus sitting over there. Excellent time at JG, and all the best to the future teachers and my colleagues. So have great time learning and growing. So follow your dharma of imparting it to the future generation. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Everyone, I would like to start by thanking GG College of Education, and I would especially like to thank Honorable Principal Dr. Renu Singh for inviting me here in the occasion of Teachers' Day. I would like to share some of my best memories with JG College of Education. When I first day came here, I was completely new to B.Ed course, and for which I met Renu ma'am luckily, and I asked her that, ma'am, what can be my major subjects if I am BCom pass out? And she said it can be only accounts and business studies. I was very disappointed initially because I always used to hate accounts. But then she replying that don't worry, you will be able to do it. And her confidence in me have always helped me to reach to this level. Thank you so much, ma'am, for always believing in me. I would like to talk about Abba ma'am. She is someone from whom I have always got motherly feeling. She have always helped us a lot, be it assemblies, be it preparing for the demo lessons or anything. So even I would like to thank Abba ma'am for molding me into a perfect teacher. Thank you, ma'am. Talking about Janelle ma'am, I always regret that I got only 1 year to spend with her because it was really a good bond with her. even in 1 year, she have always helped her in all the co-curricular activities, particularly for singing, I guess. We were really bad singers, and the way she helped us, and we did stage performance. It was really a wonderful memory. Thank you, General Ma'am. I might not know more about Sunny sir and Sahishta ma'am, but by seeing all the pictures of JG, I believe they all, both of them are also a really good guide to all of you right now in JG College. So overall, I would like to tell you that JG College is something that will mold you into a perfect teacher. Right now, when I talk about one of my best experiences, Renu ma'am is very perfect. Okay, so I always used to be late comer, and she used to hate late comers. And I always used to feel like that, ma'am, just 2 minutes, but she always used to say no to it. And now when I enter school, I realize that being regular is very important for any teacher. When you get red lines and salary cut, you feel really bad for it, right? So thank you, Renu ma'am, for making me really regular one, and I'm very thankful to you for the same. JG College of Institution is providing you with overall development, be it being a teacher or being a good personality. You all know that the assemblies will, the first day you enter the assembly and the last day of your assembly, you will see lots of change in yourself. So that can be only possible with such kind of institutions. So at last, I would like to end my speech by saying one of the quotes of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Teachers are the backbone of any country, the pillars upon which all aspirations are converted into reality. Once again, thank you all, and all the best for a wonderful future.
You know, once one of the teacher tried to inculcate equality in students, the respect for one another, whether it is language, religion. So to make it fun, she asked a student, "What do you call mosquitoes in your language?" You know what the student replied? "Ma'am, not only in my language. In any language we don't call them. They come on their own." Sahi kaha na? It's really not easy to play the role of teacher. It's a mutual learning process. We learn from our students too. I would like to call Meghavi and Anjali to share their views about the role and quality of an ideal teacher.
त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविडं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देवम्. Good morning to one and all present here. I, Meghavi Shah, warmly welcomes you on a digital celebration of Teachers' Day. Teachers play a very big role in shaping students. Mothers give birth and gurus give life, is rightly said by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Life is education. Education is religions together. An institution is a temple where all religions form an isometric shape. A learner is like the body of the candle. Learning is the flame. A teacher is like a votary of the temple. He or she always keeps his or her burning candle aside, so that no just of circumstances can ever have a chance to put out the flame. A flame of today is sun of tomorrow. What is ideal? Ideal means something which is perfect. A person or a thing which is regarded as a perfect. Who is an ideal teacher? An ideal teacher is he or she who inspires to seek and answer oneself, encourages to question, debate, discuss and analyze, offer his knowledge and experience as a guide in the quest of wisdom, inculcate values in his or her pupil, and possibly become a role model for students and society. Role of an ideal teacher in students' life. teachers play a very important role in students' life. She or he brings out the best in students and inspires them to strive for greatness. Students are considered as the future of the nation and humankind. Teachers are to be believed as a credible guide for their advancement. He or she puts his heart and soul in the career building and teaching for the pupils. To the students, they plays a very vital role of parents, friends, philosopher, and a guide at a stretch. They shows students the right path and influence their mind in a positive way and helps to achieve their goals beyond the horizon. An ideal teacher is a valued asset without whom one can't imagine a life. Role of an ideal teacher in society. An ideal teacher is a divine blessing for the society. Teachers hold a very sensitive role in the modern civilized society. Regarded as a social engineers, teachers possesses immense knowledge on various issues that affect our daily lives on a community of the human beings. Social contribution made by the teachers to the society is the aspect of leadership and guidance. Teachers are perhaps the best example in the social setting. Apart from teachers, they perform leaders in the classroom and school offices and serve as a self-motivated forces in the society. They play roles in demonstrating the importance of socialization and humanization. They are the builders of educational system. They are responsible for our success and failures. With their effective teaching, they make the future. They encourages learners and other peoples in the society to face problems with braveness and courage in order to overcome the difficult situation. Thus, a teacher has various valuable roles in the society today. This shows that very few teachers are rightly claimed to be accepted as ideal ones. I would like to end my speech with a beautiful quote. The best teacher teaches from the heart, not from the book. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to one and all present over here. A very happy Teachers' Day to all my professors and my fellow teacher trainees. My topic for today is the qualities of an ideal teacher. When I was about to write about my topic, I saw a huge tree. A teacher is just like a huge, lush, green tree. If we see a tree, the roots of the tree are always deep-rooted. They go to every nook and corner of the soil. In the similar way, an ideal teacher has the quality of going to each and every student and understanding them, motivating them. If we look further, the tree has a huge or a thick trunk. In the similar way, the teacher is also a trunk for the classroom. If there are winds, there are storms, the trunk doesn't allow the tree to fall. In the similar way, if there are difficulties, there are pressures, the trunk, the classroom, the teacher doesn't allow her students to fall. She is the one who takes all the difficulties, but does not her student feel any harm. She is protective about her students. And if we look further, there are the branches of the trees, which go around everywhere. They surround themselves. In the similar way, the teacher also allows her students to go in each and every corner and to be innovative, to be explorative. The teacher allows her students to be explorative, to explore their talents, their hidden talents, so that they can be better human beings. And then there are the leaves, the green leaves. If we taste the leaves of a neem tree, they are very bitter, but they are very beneficial. In the similar way, the teacher's words, the teacher may get angry on us, the teacher may be strict towards us, the teacher may want us to keep discipline, and so she may become disciplined towards us. But there are benefits that she has. She wants that we grow in life, that we become independent. And so she is always motivating us. She is always strict on us, but there is some benefits for us only hidden in it. And then the tree gives fruits, sweet fruits. The similar way, the teacher gives sweet fruits to the society. Thank you, teachers. Thank you for making us what we are today. Thank you would be a very small word that we can use, but you keep on motivating us. You keep on enlightening us. You keep on enlightening our paths. Thank you. And then in the end, I would just like to say thank you, Renu ma'am, for always keeping us disciplined. Thank you for being a bit rude, being a bit harsh, but that is for our benefits. And Janal ma'am, when you are in the class, we don't feel a teacher is there and teaching in the class, but it's our best friend, a friend who is always there for us. Thank you. Abba ma'am, your tolerance power is so good. You never get angry on us. You're always there for us. Though we keep on making mistakes, you keep on motivating us. Sunny sir, thank you for making the class so interactive, using different videos, images, so that we do not get bored and we concentrate in your class. Thank you. Thank you for giving us opportunities. And Saista ma'am, last but not the least, ma'am, आपकी हिंदी vocabulary हमको बहुत काम आती है. Thank you ma'am. In the end, I would just like to say thank you for being the huge trees in our life, which give us rest, which give us shade when we are in difficult times. Thank you for everything. Thank you.
Thank you, Mehavi and Anjali. I'm sure all our batchmates would have noted those and will execute it whenever and wherever it is necessary. Teachers' teachings, care and support will always stay in the student's mind. Let's all be those teachers who will give extra care, support and guidance to our students. Now, I would like to invite our dear professors, Abba ma'am, Janal ma'am and Sunny sir to bless us and to share a few words to make this day extra special.
Good morning all. First of all, I want to wish you all Happy Teachers Day. First of all, I am going to bow down in front of my Guru, my inspiration, my motivation, Principal Dr. Renu ma'am. I am thankful to you ma'am. You are giving such a wonderful knowledge to me. You are shaping my career. You are always motivating me to do something better and become a successful person in my life. So I am thankful to my ma'am, Renu ma'am, for giving me opportunity to do something special and something for all. Dear students, you know very well, today is the day of Teachers Day. See students, learning start from the birth and it is going to be continue till the end of the life. And we can be learn so many things from the nature, from our elders, from our youngers and everyone. So we are today in this occasion, we are thankful to each and everyone who are going to be help us to shaping us and our build up our character and build up our knowledge. Dear students, as Mahatma Gandhi wrote his book autobiography, My Life is My Message. So dear student, I want to give you blessings today that in your life you become the successful and you to do something ordinary to extraordinary, that your life or you become the role model for the society. When we are the teacher or all of you are the future teacher, I want to say that when you are going to the teaching field or you have become a teacher, or the good quality of the teacher when they are going to teach by using their soul, by using their mind and by their heart. When we are going to use our mind, means we are imparting knowledge, we are updating our knowledge, we are updating with the technology, and we are always disciplined and we are very dedicated and honest to our work. when we are using our honesty, dedication, and update ourselves with the time, so become that intellectual, that intelligency, and always update our knowledge, that is helpful to build up the students and understand the level, and we are helpful for the development of the society or the students. Next, come to the heart. When we are emotionally attached with our students, so along with the knowledge, imparting knowledge, we are attaching and we are helpful to understand and make them and inculcate them moral value, social values, and value development in an individual. When we are attaching with the soul, on that time we are spiritually attached with the students, means we are helpful for the destiny or to reach the goal of our life. So I want to wish you all, whenever you are going to the practical field, so become the good teacher, best teacher, ideal teacher. As now Meghavi rightly said that teacher is the blessing of the society. So I want to tell you, you have to be develop your skill, and the JG College of Education is going to be polishing your skills, polishing your knowledge, polishing your attitude, everything we are able to do and inculcate in a year's one. So wish you very, very happy Teachers Day, and become the role model for the society. And as I told you that the message of the Mahatma Gandhi, my life is my message. So become the role model for the society. Thank you all. Happy Teachers Day.
Good morning and happy Teachers Day to all. Want to just share a little thing about today's world is expecting a lot from teachers, as I must say that we all think like the teachers have to provide the light, teachers have to be an encourager, the teachers have to know the difference between the right and wrong, teacher has to be creative, teacher has to be innovative. So much is expected from the teacher. Now, Bible says that start children off on a way that they should go, and even when they are old, they will not turn from it. This is the role of teacher that I have learned, that we all have, the teacher has a parental role in that. That teacher has to start off a child, they have to see the child from the starting till the end. It's not just in the middle. So as we celebrate this day, as teacher, I want to encourage you all and ask all of us together to seek the truth in order to know where to start off. Some people will say that we should not change. Traditionalist people do say that. And then existentialists will say that we just live in the moment. They don't care about the future. They don't appreciate the future. Then there are idealists. They will just think about how to reach an ideal scenario. So we see this kind of people in our society, and we have to think about that. How can we as teacher cut across this time about past, present, and the future? We are always even in the past, we never realized we are going to come across Corona. Times of the times where we are not even together and we are on different platforms doing this. So. At the end, it's about the truth. The truth is not changing. 2 + 2 is 4, no matter it's the past, present, or the future. So as we are celebrating this Teachers Day, I would encourage all of us to not to be swayed, by media or society, by old and new trends, but to seek the truth, because that matters the most. And that is how we can impact our students. We can change their lives, we can change their minds. Okay, and then we'll know how to be friends also, we will know how to be teachers also, everything in one for the student. So happy Teachers Day, everyone. Enjoy.
Good morning to the respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and my dear students. Happy Teachers Day to all. We all have gathered here today to celebrate Teachers Day. I would like to say a few lines about the Teachers Day in front of you. शिक्षक की गोद में उत्थान पलता है, शिक्षक की गोद में उत्थान पलता है, जहां सारे शिक्षक के पीछे चलता है। शिक्षक का बोया पेड़ बनता है, शिक्षक का बोया पेड़ बनता है, हजारों बीच वही पेड़ जनता है। काल की गति को शिक्षक मोड़ सकता है, काल की गति को शिक्षक मोड़ सकता है, शिक्षक दरा से अंबर को जोड़ सकता है। शिक्षक की महिमा महान होती है, शिक्षक की महिमा महान होती है, शिक्षक बिन अधूरी वसुंधरा रहती है। याद रखो चाणक्य ने इतिहास बना डाला था, याद रखो चाणक्य ने इतिहास बना डाला था, क्रूर मगध राजा को मिट्टी में मिला डाला था, बालक चंद्रगुप्त को चक्रवर्ती सम्राट बनाया था, बालक चंद्रगुप्त को चक्रवर्ती सम्राट बनाया था, एक शिक्षक ने अपने लोहा मनवाया था। संदीपनी गुरु से सदियों से होते आए हैं, संदीपनी जैसे गुरु सदियों से होते आए हैं, कृष्ण जैसे नन्हे नन्हे बीज बोते आए हैं। शिक्षक से ही अर्जुन और युधिष्ठिर जैसे नाम है, शिक्षक से ही अर्जुन और युधिष्ठिर जैसे नाम है। शिक्षक की निंदा करने से दुर्योधन बदनाम है। शिक्षक की ही दया दृष्टि से बालक राम बन जाते हैं, शिक्षक की ही दया दृष्टि से बालक राम बन जाते हैं, शिक्षक की अनदेखी से वो रावण भी कहलाते हैं। हम सबने भी शिक्षक बनने का सुअवसर है पाया, हम सबने भी शिक्षक बनने का सुअवसर है पाया, बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी को हमने गले लगाया। आओ हम संकल्प करें कि अपना फर्ज निभाएंगे, आओ हम संकल्प करें कि अपना फर्ज निभाएंगे, अपने प्यारे भारत को हम जगत गुरु बनाएंगे। अपने शिक्षक होने का हर पल अभिमान करेंगे, अपने शिक्षक होने का हर पल अभिमान करेंगे, इस समाज में हम भी अपना शिक्षा दान करेंगे। थैंक यू एंड हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल।
Thank you very much, Abba ma'am, Janal ma'am, and Sunny sir. We have come to the end of our event. Now, I would like to invite our Sahista ma'am for vote of thanks.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर् देवो महेश्वराय गुरुर् साक्षात् परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Dr. Kalam said that a teacher should be able to make a human being who is powered by knowledge and learning. He said that teaching is a noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, future of an individual. Today is 5th September and we are celebrating Teachers' Day. Very happy Teachers' Day to one and all present here. All's well that ends well. My most sincere thanks goes to Almighty for the success of today's program. From the depth of heart, I thank to our principal Sahiba ma'am, Renu ma'am, under whose guidance this program was organized. I also want to express my gratitude to Sunny sir, whose efforts organized this event. I would also like to thank our faculty members, Dr. Abha ma'am and Janal ma'am, who contributed to it. I also want to thank to alumni Jasmine and Jarna who present here on just one call and gave their valuable time. I would like to thank all the students, especially those who participated in this program: Varda, Jayashri, Jasmine, Jinsan, Khushali, Meghavi, Anjali, Guhil, and anchor Ratnamani, Ashish, and Divya also. Also, I would like to thank the supportive staff Rajesh Bhai and Jayanti Bhai. You all supported in making this event a memorable day for us. Thank you. Thank you for everyone.
It's definitely a surprise for our dear professors, and in a way, it is a surprise for you too. Are you ready? Kushali, the stage is yours.